Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of freelancing. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time career, freelancing offers a range of opportunities. We'll break down how to earn in freelancing, explore different types of freelancing jobs, and explain what each type entails. So, let's get started. Understanding freelancing. First off, let's talk about what freelancing actually means. Freelancing is when you work for yourself, offering your services to clients on a project-by-project basis, rather than being employed by a single company. It gives you the freedom to choose your projects, set your rates, and work from anywhere. Cool, right? Types of freelancing jobs. Now, let's explore the various types of freelancing jobs you can dive into. Each type has its own set of skills and opportunities. Here are some of the most popular ones. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing involves creating content for blogs, websites, magazines, and more. It can range from technical writing to creative storytelling. If you have a way with words and a knack for research, this might be your perfect gig. 2. Graphic design. Graphic designers create visual content for businesses, such as logos, marketing materials, and website designs. If you're creative and skilled in tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, you could find a lot of opportunities here. 3. Web development. Web developers build and maintain websites. This can range from front-end development, which deals with the look and feel of a site, to back-end development, which focuses on the server side. Proficiency in coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is essential. 4. Digital marketing. Digital marketers help businesses grow their online presence through strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns. If you're good with analytics and trends, this could be a lucrative field. 5. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses remotely. This can include scheduling, email management, and customer service. Strong organizational skills and attention to detail are key here. 6. Video editing. Video editors work on editing video footage for various purposes, including social media, YouTube, and corporate videos. Creativity and proficiency in video editing software are crucial. How to earn in freelancing. So, how do you actually start earning as a freelancer? Here are some steps to get you on the right track. Identify your skills. Figure out what you're good at and passionate about. This will help you choose the right freelancing niche. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. This is crucial for attracting clients and proving your expertise. Set up profiles on freelance platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find clients and projects. Create a compelling profile and start applying for jobs. Network and market yourself. Use social media and networking events to connect with potential clients. Building relationships can lead to more opportunities. Set your rates. Research industry standards and set your rates accordingly. Don't undervalue your work, but be open to negotiating with clients. Deliver high-quality work. Always strive for excellence in your work. Happy clients are likely to come back and refer you to others. Manage your finances. Keep track of your earnings and expenses. Consider using accounting software or hiring a financial advisor to manage your freelancing income effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to earning in freelancing, the types of freelancing jobs available, and how to get started. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be interested in freelancing. Also, let us know in the comments which freelancing type you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and stay awesome. In conclusion, online tutoring offers a rewarding way to earn money while helping others. With the right platform, a compelling profile, competitive rates, and effective self-promotion, you can build a thriving online tutoring business. If you enjoy